In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add net 45 terms to QuickBooks Online invoices. If you want to give customers 45 days to pay after an invoice is issued, setting up a net 45 payment term in QuickBooks Online is a simple way to make that option available whenever you create a new invoice. Once this term is added, you'll be able to choose it directly from the Terms drop-down, which helps keep your billing process consistent and clear. To get started, sign into QuickBooks Online and look to the top right corner of the screen. Click the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is where QuickBooks keeps many of the lists and customization options you'll use to manage your account. From the Settings menu, select All Lists. This section gives you access to several important records used throughout QuickBooks. In the list that appears, find and click Terms. The Terms area is where you can create and manage the payment terms that appear on sales forms like invoices. Once you're on the Terms page, click New to create a new payment term. You'll now enter the details for the term you want to use. In the name field, type Net 45. This is the label that will appear later when you're selecting invoice terms, so it's best to keep the name simple and easy to recognize. Next, set the term type to a fixed number of days and enter 45 as the number of days. This tells QuickBooks that payment is due 45 days after the invoice date. Using a fixed day term is useful because QuickBooks will automatically calculate the due date for you based on the date on the invoice, which can save time and reduce errors. After that, click Save. Your new Net 45 term is now available in QuickBooks Online. From this point on, whenever you create or edit an invoice, you can open the Terms drop-down and select Net 45 from the list. QuickBooks will then apply that payment term and set the due date accordingly. As a quick tip, after selecting the term on an invoice, it's always a good idea to glance at the due date to make sure it matches your expectation. This is especially helpful if you're working with backdated invoices or changing invoice dates manually. That's all it takes to add Net 45 terms to QuickBooks Online invoices. Once it's set up, using it on future invoices becomes fast and straightforward.